Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome, Clashers from Pakistan. Are you looking to grab that amazing Gold Pass in 2025? It's a fantastic way to boost your village with exclusive perks, new skins, and powerful magic items, making your game progress so much faster and more enjoyable. While payment methods can sometimes seem tricky, especially with yearly updates, we'll walk you through the simplest ways to get your hands on it right from Pakistan. This guide will make purchasing your Gold Pass effortless and secure, so you can focus on building your empire. First, let's understand the main payment methods available. For most players, using your Google Play balance on an Android phone or your Apple ID balance if you're on an iPhone is the easiest route. These digital wallets act as your virtual funds. Alternatively, some cellular networks in Pakistan might offer direct carrier billing, which lets you pay directly through your mobile balance. Always check which options are enabled for your specific device and network provider. Now, how do you get money into those digital wallets? One popular way is to buy Google Play or iTunes gift card codes from authorized online retailers, or even some physical stores within Pakistan. You simply redeem these codes in your respective app store. Additionally, several Pakistani digital payment platforms allow you to directly top up your Google Play or Apple ID balance. Always verify the authenticity of the seller to keep your financial information safe and sound. With your Google Play or Apple ID balance topped up, purchasing the Gold Pass is incredibly straightforward. Simply open your Clash of Clans game, then head straight to the in-game shop. You'll find the Gold Pass offer prominently displayed, especially at the start of a new season. Select the Gold Pass, confirm the purchase using your loaded account balance, and that's it. The Gold Pass benefits will activate immediately, letting you enjoy all the rewards right away. A few final tips to ensure a smooth experience. Always prioritize buying through official channels or highly reputable third-party vendors to avoid scams or fraudulent transactions. Stay informed about any potential changes in payment policies or new options that might emerge in Pakistan, especially looking ahead to 2025. If you ever face any issues during your purchase, remember that Supercell's support team is always there to help you out. Happy clashing!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.